The DeSite SLG portable vibratory screenings are proving to be a very popular item with contractors, cities, guys that are recycling, reclaiming. Uh, just the basic investment cost and the productivity of these screeners has become an alternative to the guys that used to own the bigger screening plants. Um, what they were finding, I guess, was the investment that they had in those machines, that 25, 50, 100 plus $1,000 wasn't warranted for the amount that they were screening each year. With these DeSite screeners here, you know, with their ability to screen anywhere from 20 to 50, 60 yards an hour, these machines here at the price point that we sell them, they're so versatile, they're so portable, low maintenance, and that low investment cost has made them very, very attractive to guys that are buying a screener for the first time or that have owned bigger screeners in the past and are looking for a screener that's a little more productive and more cost effective.